Hey, so this is what your chicken will look like when it's done. Hi, this is Jason, the young chef, and today we're going to be making fried chicken. So, the first thing you need to do is get your oil preheated to about 350 degrees, which is about medium heat. So, to make the chicken and to coat the chicken in the batter, first I want you to put about a teaspoon of Creole seasoning in 1 3/4 cups of flour. And I just want you have to mix it up until it's nice and even. And it should have a nice little speckle of seasoning in it. And also you want to add tomato salt and a tad of pepper to almost anything you cook. Put 2 eggs in it, 1½ cups of flour, and about a ½ cup of milk. But you don't want to add it all at once. You want to add little bits because it's not always exact when you're making batters. So you just want to add it in and mix until it's the right consistency. Just little bits at a time. Okay, that's turning into dough. You don't want that. So add in some more. And don't worry if that's not enough, because you can get more. So if it's not enough, then you can just add in more, because it probably won't be. So you just add a little bit more milk, stir it, make sure you get all the flour on the sides, and you want it to be about this consistency. You want it to get pretty thick. It'll make it more crispy when you do that. So, about this consistency. Probably a little bit thinner, though. Just a tiny bit more milk. Mix it on in. Alright, so there we are. So now that you have all your batter made, now that you have your batter and your flour all mixed up, you want to take your chicken and you want to roll it around in the flour and make sure you get it all nice and coated. Then put it in your batter. Make sure you get it all nice and coated. And you will get messy doing this. And then put it back in your flour and get it all nice and coated. And this should make, and the flour should lock that batter in there to where it looks like this. And then you just set it on into your hot oil, which I don't have yet. And so just repeat that. Flour, batter, and you will get messy, so wear some gloves. Flour. Okay, and you want to do that to about 8 chicken legs. So I'm back and I've washed my hands, and so you just want to take a pair of tongs and you put them into your oil. It should be about 350 degrees. And look at how perfectly they're frying. And just put as many that'll fit in your pan in at once. And you just want to coat the bottom of the pan in chicken legs. And you want to be easy with them so no batter falls off of them. Just one more should fit in there. Put it on the side. Hey, so this is what your chicken will look like when it's done. Looks good, doesn't it?